Bedhead. Do you have bedhead? Hi, I'm Steve Luttrell, your hair loss consultant, and welcome to my channel, The Real Deal, where I talk about your hair loss, why you've lost your hair, and is there anything you can do to get it back. All right, guys. First, before we get started today, I want to make sure you like and subscribe to my channel because that's how we keep going and I keep going, and you stay up on the latest and greatest of hair systems, hair loss, hair restoration. All right, guys. So again, don't forget to like and subscribe so we can keep going here and you get notifications. All right. All right. So today what we're going to be talking about is, do you wake up with bedhead? Your hair's like sticking up all over the place when you wake up in the morning. Like, oh my God, like now what do I do? And I'm sleeping with somebody new. How do I not have bedhead in the morning? Well, first of all, people that have their own hair have bedhead. Very few people wake up in the morning looking spot on, camera ready, photogenic ready in the morning. It doesn't happen to most people. That's only in the movies and TV, all right? And like I said, very few people wake up in the morning with just wash and go looking hair, all right? So waking up with bedhead in the morning is not unusual, something that is not exclusive to hair replacement wears. And again, guys, you wanted hair, be careful what you wish for. Along with hair comes along all the things that people that have hair have. Bedhead, all right? So bedhead is easy, guys. It's really easy to combat bedhead. Get up, take your brush through the hair really good. Make sure you get as much of it brushed out as possible. And then you want to take your comb and gently go through where you just brushed out and comb through that to make sure there's not even finer tangles that the brush itself couldn't get out. All right. So that's the first thing you want to do. Then after you've got all brushed out and all the tangles are gone and your bedhead's somewhat not so wild and messy and out of control, then you want to take your water, spray your hair with the water, and then proceed to comb or brush the hair back into its style. Now, if you need to add into a little blow dry, that's fine. You add a little product, that's fine. A little hairspray, that's fine. But for the most part, you're going to wake up with hair sticking straight up, some on the side, some in the back. Everybody's different. Now, if you sleep on your face, all that back here probably will be okay. So I guess the question you have now is, well, is there any way to lessen the bedhead? In other words, can I not have bedhead as badly? What about pillowcases? I've heard that, silk pillowcases, that works. Again, that's kind of a wives' tale. I don't think the head is slipperier. I did all that at the very beginning when I first started wearing hair because that was what they told me that, oh, get a silk pillowcase, this is great. It didn't, and I didn't particularly care for a silk pillowcase. I think they're a little cool, a little too slippery actually, but it didn't stop from, the weight laying on the hair is what creases the hair after hours of creasing the hair. So the pillowcase didn't make a difference. Can you wear a toboggan or a do-rag or a stocking on your well, you could do that too, but you're going to wake up with really flat hair. It's going to be just sucked to your head basically. So again, I don't suggest that you wear a stocking or a cap or anything like that. Now you can, if you're a tape or a clip type person, you can take it off every day and put it on a mannequin in your bedroom or in your bathroom, and if you're dating somebody new, they might question that. But now if you've been married for 5 years, 10 years, then your spouse maybe doesn't care, or maybe they do. Maybe they don't want to wake up in the morning and see a bald person that goes and puts a wig on in their bathroom. But if you're like most everybody out there that are wearing hair every day, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, sleeping in the hair, you're not going to put it on a mannequin head. The idea is to have hair. So why would you have a hair hat? All right. So I don't see any of these options. Basically, The option I see is basically just own it. You have hair. You wake up, you got bedhead. There's nothing wrong with that. I mean, we've gone through the last maybe decade, 2 decades of people looking like they have bedhead during the day. Their hair's all sticking up everywhere, and like, did you comb your hair? Like, really? Like, do you own a comb? Because it sure doesn't look like it. But so bedhead became quite fashionable, actually. But anyways, back to bedhead. Don't fret about bedhead. Again, it looks natural. If you had your own hair, you probably would have bedhead. Maybe you just don't remember when you had hair that you had bedhead. But so don't worry about bedhead. You'll be fine. Like we've discussed in previous videos about shampooing your hair and how to shampoo your hair. You can do that every day if you like. It's a lot of work, a lot of extra work. But for the most part, I think if you just get up in the morning and, like I said, brush it out, comb it out, and then spray it with some water, and then put it back in place, blow dry, whatever you need to do, you'll be okay. All right. All right, guys. That's my video for today. Bedhead. And how you deal with bedhead. Hopefully this has given you a little confidence in the morning that you're not so abnormal, that everybody else in the world has bedhead for the most part. So just, don't fret about it. Keep it simple. Do what you need to do. Go about your life, and you'll be great. You'll look fine. All right. Okay, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. That's how I keep going once again. And I'm Steve Luttrell, your hair loss consultant, and this has been The Real Deal. Have a great hair day, guys.